6.5 pounds of chuck roast going on the smoker. It's going to be good, seasoned with holy cow. She's on the smoke. Here we go. We'll see if Peter Piper can pickle a peck of peppers. Okay, I'm going to read my notes on what I did here. Rub both sides of the roast and let it stand for a couple hours. Then we put it on the smoke at about 250 degrees for 2 hours, 45 minutes. Then pulled it off the smoke, put it in a pan, put the tinfoil over the top in the oven at 250 degrees for another hour. And then we turned it down to low for another hour there while the veggie pack was on the grill at 375 to 400 degrees for an hour. Then we pulled everything out and had supper.
And it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, real good. We'll do that again.